Hello and welcome to the first episode of Jonnie Grooms, men's care product reviews. Okay, so with the Badass Beer Kit, you get a thank you card here with a bunch of instructions and an order on how to use each product. That's freeze frame right there. And on the other flip side, it gives you all the perks in joining the Badass Beard Club. You can freeze that there. Attached to the card came a very cool little item. It's a guitar pick, personalized, says Badass Beard Care with a little donkey on it. I don't play the guitar, but I like the pick. Definitely like the pick. You can use it for many different things. You can use it to get your beard balm, or you can use it to pick your teeth. No, not your teeth. You can use it just to, nope, not that either. You can use it to get your beard balm out of the container. We'll get a little felt bag. Inside the bag comes the beard oil. No branding on there, but the bottle is glass, so that is nice. The beard balm itself, right here, has the name of the scent that you chose and lets you know it's a trial size. Actually, a good amount too. So this is a lot. This is a good amount of beard balm. Like, I don't use that much beard balm, so this will go a long way. This trial size beard balm is really good. It's a good amount. That'll last a while. Then also, finally, you get your hogwash. It is an all-in-one body, beard, and hair wash. Has the name of the scent on the bottom there in blue. The biker. I chose the biker. It's a peppermint sandalwood scent. Very, very nice. So that is it for the kit itself. This is everything that comes in your trial kit when you order it from Badass Beard Club. Let's take it to the bathroom and see how each product performs. Alright, so we're here in the bathroom. I'm going to start with the hogwash for the beard. Lather this up really nicely. Definitely has a really good The beard wash made my skin feel invigorated, and the smell is very strong, very nice, very pleasant, very sandalwood, pepperminty. Smells really, really good. Feels nice too, nice and soft. The second part of the routine is the beard oil. All right. The last part of the routine is the beard balm. You would take your thumb, scrape into it till it covers your thumbnail. Then you put it on your palm and you wipe it till it's clear. But I'm going to use the guitar pick. Guitar pick? Yeah, just about that amount is good. You put it on your palm. Rub your hands together so it's clear, shiny, see? And root to tip. And that is the entire routine. Wash, oil, balm. Let's take it to the table. I'll do my review and my final rating. So that was the Badass Beard Club trial kit. You get it for free when you go on their website and sign up, and they will ship it to you. You get to choose your scent. When you go to the website and you see the scents, you will give you a description of each. I got the biker, like I said. The biker was a peppermint, sandalwood, and patchouli. I couldn't remember it earlier, but I knew there was a third ingredient, and it's patchouli. As a whole, from wash to balm, the product is very, very good. I like the feel of it. It feels very nice on the skin. When I was done cleaning, I was very invigorated, and my beard was very clean and very smooth. The combination of the oil and the balm has softened my beard hair a lot. It is a lot softer than it was prior, and it feels very smooth. So as functionality goes, the product is solid. Scent wise, very good at first. When you first start using it, you get hit with the sandalwood and the peppermint, but as time goes on, the patchouli comes in and it starts to age. I would say it starts to age. So in the beginning, very, very pleasant scent, very nice, but the patchouli kind of overpowers the sandalwood and peppermint. Would have liked it that much better if there was more of like an almond oil in there kind of scent, give it a little nuttiness along that will, you know, play well with the sandalwood. So my only con to this is that scent, is the patchouli scent, that kind of just overpowers the sandalwood and peppermint. If I were to rate the product as a whole, from beginning to end, presentation, scent, feel, performance, I'd give it a 5. I'd give it a 5.5, maybe a 6. If the patchouli wasn't so overpowering, I would give it a 6, but I would definitely give it a 5. It's not something I would use every day, but I would keep it in my rotation if I was trying different scents during the week. Maybe you're gonna go out at night, you don't want to wear a lot of cologne, this is the product for you. With this product, you don't have to wear cologne. The smell is there. It's there, and it stays with you. Because coming from the bathroom, I waited about an hour to do my final review, just to see how everything would feel, if I would get a reaction on my skin. So I got no reactions, no allergic reactions at all. So that's another reason why I rated it so high. This is John from Jonnie Grooms, signing off. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.